And thank you for being with us here at 10 o'clock. I'm Josh Chapin, D.C.'s top prosecutor, rolling out a new plan to crack down on juvenile crime as we get closer to summer break. The U.S. Attorney for D.C., Jeanine Pirro, says her office will start charging parents if their kids are involved in so-called teen takeovers.
My office will aggressively prosecute parents under D.C.'s curfew law. And the specific statute that we will use is a violation of D.C. Code 22-811. This statute makes it unlawful for an adult to enable, facilitate, or permit a minor to engage in delinquent acts. The penalty is up to 6 months imprisonment.
Now, this is an issue we have covered extensively, notably in Navy Yard, where 7 News has seen hundreds of teens gathering on the weekends, getting into fights, and in some cases, assaulting police officers. Our Felicia Ashley went into the community tonight, got reaction from people in Navy Yard.
I went back to the neighborhood commissioners and parents who said that they wanted something done after seeing some of the destructive behavior when swarms of teens and kids would flood to Navy Yard. U.S. Attorney Pirro said this is the first weekend that they could start prosecuting the parents. Is this that accountability you all were looking for?
Not exactly. I think it's federal overreach. You know, the accountability that I was talking about really needs to happen on a local level. Like we need to start investing more in our communities and our families.
Is this the answer you were looking for?
It is. I'm honestly happy with the accountability piece of this when it comes to parental accountability, because we've dealt with this now for a year.
Nick Wilson is a parent of teens and a neighborhood commissioner in Navy Yard.
One, we don't want the teens coming in and committing crimes and causing troubles. But also, one of the things that we found out when we talk to teens is sometimes coming out is better than what's going on in their households.
Edward Daniels is also a commissioner who says he's for Pirro's actions, but not the method.
Her means of addressing the situation, I think that we can address this with local resources, meaning MPD. I don't think that we need federal resources.
If you drop your kid off and you fail to supervise them, or you let them skip school to join the chaos, you are going to face fines, court-ordered classes, and possible jail time.
Policing and putting people in jail is actually kind of how we got to where we're at now. There's no one at home because they got locked up and thrown in jail. We're not going to police our way out of this situation.
I agree with holding parents accountable for the activity of their kids, especially those that have just turned a blind eye to what the kids are doing.
We have hardworking moms and dads. I don't feel like they need to be punished because they're working hard, a 9 to 5, or sometimes a 4 to 12, or whatever it happens to be.
And it sends a clear message to the parents that you must supervise your kids or face criminal consequences.
Pirro said parents could spend up to 6 months in jail, and she said it would be under the charge of contributing to the delinquency of a minor. For now, reporting from Navy Yard in Southeast D.C., Felicia Ashley, 7 News.